I'm going to today focus on the time management points for a middle-aged gynecologist, which this group is meant for. Now, basic time management principles are, it is meant for those who want to adjust their attitude. There are people, कहीं पर भी वो जाते हैं, 7 बजे का टाइम है, वो 9 बजे पहुंचते हैं, और 4 बजे का टाइम है तो फिर वो 6 बजे पहुंचते हैं. So it is, you have to commit yourself, whether you have value for time or not. So you have to adjust your attitude, then only you attend these kind of presentations. Secondly, after the attitude, what is your desire that you want to be organized is also very, very important. You have to follow a routine, write down your goals. Goals are very important. Unless you write down your goals, you can't achieve anything. कहते हैं God भी उन्हीं को देता है जिनको आप मालूम है कि उनको कहाँ जाना है. So you have to set your goals. Here I just wish to tell you that in Yale University, which is one of the very prestigious educational university, people who were outgoing were asked to write down a couple of things. They were asked to write down your 3 goals. So you will be surprised to know that only 90% people had set their goals, and only 10% of the people had set their goals. 90% did not know what their goals will be after leaving Yale University. वहाँ पर कोई आम आदमी नहीं जाता. तो and देखा गया उन्होंने कि ये जो 10% people who have set their goals, they were followed 20 years hence, and these 10% of the people had assets of those 90%. The assets were more than the 90% students collectively. So to know your goals is very, very important. Be selective and also prioritize your things. Give yourself extra time, track what you do, schedule downtime, and find shortcuts. Often quoted tips by me is that, please determine what is urgent. Don't overcommit ever. कुछ लोग ऐसे हैं जिनको ना कहना ही नहीं आता, हर चीज में हाँ, yes sir, yes ma'am, But I think time has come that, you don't overcommit yourself. Have a plan for your time. Allow time for the unexpected. कई बार unexpected चीजें हो सकती हैं, तो उसके लिए भी आपके पास समय होना चाहिए. Handle things once. ये attitude होना चाहिए कि एक बार करेंगे पर best करेंगे. That first time should be the best. Create realistic deadlines. When you create realistic deadlines, then you do not, does not pressurize you. You know कि इतने time में मैं इसको खत्म कर लूँगा. Set goals for yourself and your time. Develop routines. जब तक आपके routine नहीं होंगे उस तरह के काम करने के, तब तक it is difficult to get things done. Focus on one thing at a time. Eliminate or minimize distraction. Distractions are the main killers. And these days it is social media, Instagram Reels, all these are waste of time. Outsource task or delegate. जो चीज आप outsource कर सकते हो, उसको delegate करना सीखिए. This will give you peace of mind, because you can't do all the tasks yourself. Leave time for fun and play. That is also very, very important. So coming to midlife gynecologist. Start your day with a clear plan. 5 minutes of planning saves 50 minutes of confusion. This 5 minutes you can do at the end of the day, in the night, that tomorrow mera ye cheez, lined up hai. Or you do it first thing in the morning. मैं सोचती हूँ कि रात को 5 मिनट लगाकर उसको set out कर दीजिए कि what is your plan for the next day. This takes away the confusion. Have a very clear vision. Do one thing at a time. I repeat again. Fix morning rituals strictly. This disciplines yourself. Some exercise in the form of yoga, pranayama, meditation. Now these three things आपको लगता है एक फालतू चीज है, नहीं, फालतू चीज नहीं है. Minimum it increases your potential 2 times, but if you use it wisely, it can increase your potential 10 times. So एक शारदा की 2 शारदा की काम कर सकते हैं आप. This is what it is. Minimum 2 times, but it can be 10 times also. Fix clinic time strictly. आपके क्लिनिक में जाने का बिल्कुल स्ट्रिक्ट टाइम होना चाहिए. आपके आने से वो अपनी वॉच सेट कर ले, इस तरह का टाइम होना चाहिए. एंड आपके जाने का भी फिक्स टाइम होता है. ये नहीं कि पेशेंट्स की आदत होती है कि आपके जो उठने का टाइम है, सडनली यू विल फाइंड 5 पेशेंट्स देयर. एक बार आप मना करोगे, 2 बार मना करोगे, दे विल लाइन देमसेल्व्स. दे विल नो कि नहीं भी हमें अगर दिखाना है तो हम समय पे आना पड़ेगा आपको. So fix clinic timing strictly. लालच की कोई एंड नहीं है. Keep 2 priority list. Must do today and can do it later. It is very very important. मुझे आज का काम क्या करना है आपको बिल्कुल क्लियर होना चाहिए. Do first list and what I can postpone, I should do it. ये जो की दिखा रही हूं मैं 4D की, all of you must be very very clear about this. एक D है डिलीट, जो कि वेस्ट करते हैं आपका टाइम, जिसमें सोशल मीडिया हुआ लिया, हर मिनट में सोशल मीडिया में देख रहे हैं, टाइम वेस्ट कर रहे हैं. इंस्टाग्राम की रील्स देखना शुरू हो गया तो 2-2 घंटे रील्स ही देख रहे हैं. सो ये दिस शुड बी डिलीटेड. इफ यू वांट टू डू समथिंग गुड इन योर लाइफ, इसकी ये वाली हैबिट तोड़नी पड़ेगी. अभी मैंने आपको डेलीगेशन की बात किया. जो भी आपको लगता है कि ये वाला मेरा काम जो है, मेरे जूनियर्स या मेरे साथ जो स्टाफ है, they can do it very well, then that particular work need to be delegated. एक होता है डू लिस्ट, जो कि आपकी हाई प्रायोरिटी है और आप ही को करने, उसको आपको करना है एंड इंपॉर्टेंट टाइम में करना है टू कंप्लीट द टास्क. और एक है इंपॉर्टेंट है बट यू कैन डिले इट, postpone the tasks that are not immediate priorities, they can be delayed. So ये 4 Ds आपको याद करना है: delete, delegate, do and delay. This is a outline of the framework to help prioritize and manage tasks effectively. मैंने पहले भी कहा था, फिर दोबारा कहती हूँ, learn to say no politely but firmly. Don't ever overcommit. किसी का काम आपके बिना रुकता नहीं है, बट आपको नो कहना आना चाहिए, so they can definitely have a second choice, third choice. Delegate routine tasks to train staff. Stop doing everything yourself. बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. आपके स्टाफ को भी मालूम है कि ये काम मेरे पर छोड़ दिया जाएगा, so they also in the process becomes trained, very well trained like you. Use digital tools. You should see the dentist or you see other people who are organized, how well they give the appointments, the billing is organized, the follow-ups are organized, the dates are given, and they send a reminder as well. Avoid multitasking. We ladies are known to do multitasking, but the quality of work or the output which is there is not good. So avoid multitasking. It reduces quality and increases the stress. Keep 1 hour daily out of these 24 hours as a no disturbance zone for a focused work. जब आप एक प्रायोरिटी वाला काम कर रहे हो, इंपॉर्टेंट काम कर रहे हो, तो क्लियर नोटिस होना चाहिए कि उस टाइम कोई कंसल्टेशन नहीं होगी and everything will be done after that 1 hour. Here my request to each one of you, read scientific updates for 20 minutes daily. इसको करके देखिए. There are so many things are available for you to update yourself. And जरूर सोचें कि जो भी टॉपिक आज डिस्कस हो रहा है उसके बारे में 10-15 मिनट पढ़ें, तो आप देखेंगे कि जो भी आपने पढ़ा है, the speaker speaks the same thing. So I think, make it a habit if you want to be really thorough on the subject. Daily consistent small steps are much better than not knowing anything. I will again repeat, reduce screen scrolling. It steals the invisible hours. कब आपके समय में टाइम गायब हो गया आपको पता ही नहीं चलता. And reduce Instagram obsession. It steals invisible hours. There's a bad habit among gynecologists to do Instagram reels, and if you see those reels, they have nothing concrete to say. Keep OPD well structured. Short visits for routine consultations and longer for new cases. So new cases definitely take 3 times more time than what you give to your routine patients. Time has come to of checklists, so operate with checklist. They cut time and errors. कोई भी ट्रीटमेंट भी लिखना होता है, अभी जरा सा भी डाउट होता है, you should always recheck and then go head up with that. Batch similar tasks together. आपकी कॉल्स हैं, आपकी रिपोर्ट्स को देखना है, आपको मैसेजेस को टाइप करके भेजना है, so you should batch them together. And I will say, I've not been able to do strictly myself, but I will say that, it's always good to keep one day or for a complete rest, not for your professional work or a pending work. Make your clinic workflow smooth वाला है, registration आपका हो, वो लोग registration करें, आपका staff should be able to take the vitals of your patients. And I think since the COVID times, things have become very easy for us. वो लोग वेट लेते हैं, वेट के भी पहले 3-4 मिनट उनको बिठाते हैं, फिर आपका पल्स ऑक्सीमीटर से पल्स लेंगे, ऑक्सीजन सैचुरेशन देखेंगे, बीपी रिकॉर्ड करेंगे. So I think this particular job, हमारे यहाँ तो क्लिनिक में BMI भी लेके देंगे आपको, और आपका कमर भी लेके बताएंगे वो. So I think these vitals can be relegated to these staff. So over a period of time, they also become smart कि बीपी ज्यादा है तो बताएंगे, लाइन अंडरलाइन करेंगे रेड से कि ये बीपी ज्यादा है, और कुछ प्रॉब्लम हो वहां पे पल्स भी 100 से ऊपर हो तो वो बोलते हैं कि भाई आपकी पल्स ज्यादा है. तो इस तरह से काउंसलिंग टाइम अलग होना चाहिए, और ओपीटी के एग्जामिनेशन के बाद आपने जो ट्रीटमेंट लिखा है वो है, और उसके बाद थोड़ा बहुत आपका जूनियर जरूर देखें कि उसमें कुछ काउंसलिंग एस्पेक्ट है क्या, कुछ दोबारा डाउट्स हैं तो दे कैन डेफिनेटली आस्क. सो आई थिंक मेक वर्क फ्लो फॉर योर क्लिनिक वेरी स्मूथ. Train your staff monthly. Trained staff saves doctors time. So training of the staff is very, very important from time to time. कि भी कुछ अपडेट हो गया है तो अपने पेशेंट्स, अपने जूनियर्स को बताइए कि this is the update is there, and so they are also clear what is the real update. Set 10-minute slot twice a day for social media. Not 1 hour aimlessly that you're going on and on and on. Use voice notes instead of typing long messages. आप वर्बल बोल दीजिए तो आपके जो भी लोग हैं उसको टाइप कर लेंगे, और नहीं तो जो मैसेज अगर आपको किसी को भेजना है तो राइटिंग में ना भेज के अगर आप वीडियो मैसेज भेज देंगे, थिंग्स बिकम्स वेरी इजी एंड वेरी प्रॉम्प्ट. कीप योर कंसल्टिंग रूम क्लटर फ्री. Clear space increases your clear thinking, and your patient also knows that the doctor is organized. Automate follow-ups. It is very important through WhatsApp or text reminders. आप surprised होगे कि my teeth had to have follow-up, and they reminded कि डॉक्टर साहब आपको इसके लिए आना है, आपको इसके लिए आना है. There was a gap of almost 2 months. So they reminded you, a month later and a month later. If dentists can do it, why can't you do it? Do difficult tasks in your energy peak hours, and that is morning for the most of the people. That 8 to 10 or 8 to 12 का जो time है, that is most productive. Take 5 minutes break every 2 hours to prevent burnout. It is very, very important कि 5 मिनट का आप उठिए, चहल पहल आइए, बात कर लीजिए, लोगों से बात करके हंस लीजिए. तो ये 5 मिनट का ब्रेक हर 2 घंटे में इम्पोर्टेंट है. Avoid perfectionism. I repeat again. Avoid perfectionism where not needed. Any job done is better than perfect. ना करने से तो करना अच्छा है. परफेक्ट तो कोई थोड़े थोड़े काम आप परफेक्ट कर सकते हैं. Keep a separate notebook for ideas, so they don't interrupt your ongoing work, and handy when you want them. जब आपके नए ideas हो तो you can you have written down, jotted down in one particular diary, so you can take it from there. It becomes very handy for you. Now learn to use templates. जो कि बहुत ज्यादा लोग कंप्यूटर में काम करते हैं, वो अपने ट्रीटमेंट की टेम्पलेट्स, अपने इन्वेस्टिगेशन की टेम्पलेट्स बना के रखते हैं साइड में. 20 जो टेम्पलेट्स हैं वो लिख देते हैं कि भाई 3 नंबर है ये पेल्विक इन्फ्लेमेटरी डिजीज के लिए, ये एंटीनेटल के लिए नंबर 3 है. तो इस तरह से वो आपको टेम्पलेट्स लिख देते हैं, तो आपको बार बार वो सारी चीजें लिखने की जरूरत नहीं पड़ती. सो दिस इज ट्रू फॉर समरी, डिस्चार्ज समरी, for your antenatal charts, for treatment for various things, and for investigations. And post-operative advice also, which is a long advice. So you can make templates and keep it in the computer or in your phones. Always keep your meeting short and agenda driven. आपके agenda का set out होगा तो आपका time ज़्यादा नहीं लगेगा. One after another you can have a couple of meetings. Never skip meals or hydration. Tired doctors lose time and later they get much fatigued much earlier. Schedule time for family and hobbies. Balance gives energy to you and gives you quality of life. Do not forget, twice a year you should have a short holiday where you should be away from the society. It's always good to review time 5 minutes before every night. When you retire, you must review your whole day and review your week every Sunday night, what worked and what wasted your time. Treat time as your highest currency. Protect it like your health. Health is the best. It is the biggest wealth people have, and time is also the same value as health. So thank you for attention.